In this tutorial video, you will learn how to change color in the attribute table. Open the attribute table from the layer options in the layer box. There are different display save options when clicked on the change color option in the action menu in the panel that appears. Colorize all option changes the color of all geometries in the layer. Colorize selected option changes the color of the geometries selected in the layer. Colorize filtered option changes the color of filtered geometries on the table. With the option to revert to first color, all geometries can be reverted to their original color. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.